With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The metal crystal crystallizes into a lattice containing a sequence of layers AB, AB, AB. Any packing of spheres leave out voids in the lattice. What percentage by volume of this lattice is empty space? So here, first of all, as we know that this ABAB lattice describes the hexagonal close packing. So here, this AB packing describe the hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packed arrangement. Close packed arrangement of spheres. So from this, the available size occupied by the sphere of equal size in their dimension in the hexagonal close packed arrangement is equals to the 74%. So here it is 74%. So to find the vacant space is 100 minus 74. So that is equals to 26%. So from this we can say that our option C is the correct answer. So option C, that is the 26%, is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.